Let's select this part of the donut, which represents the 33%. Then on the right, we will go to no fill. What happened is the other donut appeared. Then let's highlight this one, click on it. Then we will choose solid fill, but it's white color. So we will change the transparency to 20%. Let's do this for the second one. Right click, select data, then this data represents John. Series name is John. I will highlight the cell that contains John's name. This is the data series highlighted. Then OK. OK. Select this, put it on a secondary axis. Right click, change series chart type, put John on a secondary axis. OK. Now the two donuts are on top of each other. Let's select this one and no fill. This one also, let's select it solid fill, but we need to make it white and change the transparency to 20% to make it identical to the one to the left. Now let's do the same with the third graph. Right click, select data, then add, series name, we will highlight mark. Series value, we will highlight those two cells. Then I press OK, OK twice. Let's put this on a secondary axis. Right click, change series chart type and tick mark. OK. Select this, change the fill to no fill. The green donut will appear now. Select this, solid fill. Let's change it to white. Fill, not white, transparent fill, and change the transparency to 20%. We will add the percentages in the middle, but this will take a few steps. We will go insert, we will insert a text box and put it right here. What's the percentage here? We will just put an equal sign in the FX box up, equal. This represents Ahmed's data, which is, hit the enter key now, 33%. Let me change the font type to a dramatic font type. Let me make it impact. Make the font bigger, the size of the font bigger. To 18 is fine. Let me make this text box smaller. See you in the next video.